Have you ever felt like your fuel company isn't meeting your expectations? Do you ever get the feeling that they might be avoiding your calls? Hi, my name's Alicia from Foster Fuels. In this video, we'll be going over what to expect when coming to Foster. Whether you're switching companies to us or have never bought from a fuel company before, we take pride in making sure every customer gets the best customer service, no matter what. With Foster Fuels, we are always there when you need us most. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of what it could look like when you switch to Foster. Your journey with Foster may start with a simple phone call or an online form. At Foster, we pride ourselves in amazing and personal customer service. We have trained CSRs ready to take your call and walk you through the process. This is Dakota. You may even talk to him when you call in. Dakota, can you tell us a little bit about your role at Foster?
Sure. My name is Dakota. I've been here for almost 3 years and I assist customers in the initial sales process. I walk customers through the process from the initial call to when they get to scheduling. I'll also help with getting signed forms and documents.
You can either contact us through our website on the Contact Us page or give us a call directly to schedule an appointment. You may even talk to Dakota when you call in. Our knowledgeable customer service team is ready to help you. Once you've made the initial phone call, we'll set you up with a sales team member to work on the estimate and schedule your install. We make the whole purchase to installation process as easy for you as possible. This is Bill Moss. He's one of our sales team members. Bill Moss, can you tell us how you help create a positive
Moss, and I'm part of the sales team here at Foster Fuels, and we want to be the expert for you for any of your fueling needs. If it's for your home, you can certainly come to any of our 6 beautiful showrooms, and our staff there can provide solutions for anything you're looking for. Our mission is to help you find the perfect fuel solution for your home or business, ensuring that you receive top quality products and exceptional service. So remember, we're here to help guide you through the entire process, from selection to installation, making your experience as easy and hassle-free as possible.
Thanks, Bill. If you're not sure what you're looking for when it comes to purchasing residential fuel services or products, our showrooms are a great way for you to see in person what services and products we have that would best suit you. We have multiple locations in Virginia with great employees who are happy to help you pick and decide on your next purchase with us. This is Josh. Josh, can you tell us about this fireplace right here?
Sure can, absolutely. So this is one of our many offerings from a group called Buck Stove. And this is an incredible unit because with this, you wouldn't actually even need a traditional fireplace. With this mantle could go almost anywhere in your house. So if you've got an open space and if you're actually in need of heating, this would be a fantastic option for you.
Thanks, Josh.
You're welcome.
Once the sales team completes your estimate and we get you in the system, you'll be sent to scheduling. We'll work with you and our technician team to schedule a time that works best for you. Our trained technicians come to your home and provide professional propane tank and appliance installation. Our trained technicians and delivery drivers go above and beyond to make sure they finish the job well and on time. Let's meet our technician Randall and learn about their position.
Hi, I'm Randall Lyons. I'm a service technician at Foster Fuels. We handle everything from the installation, maintenance, and repair of fuel systems, including propane, diesel, heat and oil systems. Our goal is to ensure the entire installation process is seamless for you, and we're here to provide any necessary maintenance to keep your systems running smoothly.
It's important that after you have either purchased or rented from us that you have reliable maintenance done, as well as being able to get refills easily when needed. Foster Fuels will always be there when you need service and maintenance done. We provide fueling options that best fit your life. Customers who choose to be placed on will call are responsible for checking the status of their tanks and alerting us before their tank gauge is too low. If you are not signed up for Autofill, you run the risk of forgetting to monitor the fuel level. With our Autofill program, our trained and experienced team monitor your tank levels, checking your tank, and monitoring the fuel usage on a routine route system. Our drivers refill the tanks when necessary, offering peace of mind and one less thing to worry about. Let's talk to Brent a little bit about his position here.
Hi, I'm Brent Noel. I'm a propane driver here at Foster Fuels. I'm one member of a great team of drivers that we have. Once your system is all set up by our service techs, we will come around and fill your tank, usually within a day or two. And then from there, we will continue to keep you full and hopefully not ever let you run out.
Thanks, Brent. Another benefit of Foster is we make sure that you are safe and that your equipment is safe at all hours. That's why we provide 24-hour commercial emergency service if your propane tank stops working or is leaking gas in the middle of the night. We also offer a residential program emergency plan to make sure you don't run out of fuel in a crisis situation. The team at Foster Fuels goes above and beyond to exceed your expectations. I hope this video showed you everything you need to know about what to expect when you come to Foster Fuels. If you have any questions or you'd like to set up your first propane purchase, contact Foster Fuels today or visit one of our showrooms. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with our content.